Okay, welcome to our next installment of the profit series, understanding profit. So I know I talked in the one before that sometimes you look at your P&L and you get the bottom and it says I made $20,000, and someone says, "Well, Doug, I don't see the $20,000. It is not in my bank account." And people get confused. Oh, accounting profit versus real profit. And those are usually people that don't know what they're talking about that are saying those type of things. Profit is profit. Now, whether that profit is cash or not is the real question. So there's a couple different things that could happen. The reason that you may say you made profit, but you don't have the money in the bank. That profit may not be in cash. What I mean by that is that it may be if you bought new equipment, then that profit, the only way to buy new equipment is with debt, profit, or with new investment. It's the only way you're going to buy new equipment. So it had to be one of those three things. If you bought it and it wasn't new investment, meaning new money into the company, then it was profit. So if you bought $20,000 worth of equipment, you showed $20,000 worth of profit. That's where that profit is sitting, is in the equipment. So the value of your business on your balance sheet that we talked about before, the balance of your business, the assets of your business went up by the 20,000, and that's where that profit went to. The other thing that people kind of miss it on too is if you've borrowed money, if you've got a loan, the principal on that loan is profit. What I mean by that is you borrow money, you're borrowing future profits. That's what's happening. So when you pay it back, you have to pay it back with profit. So if you paid back $20,000 in principal on the principal part of your loan over the last year, and it showed you made $20,000 in profit, that's where that went to. So anytime you borrow money, when you're borrowing future profits, make sure that you're using it very wisely because it's going to take profits to pay that back. So hopefully this helped you understand a little bit about that number at the bottom, where your profit's hiding, where the actual cash is hiding. So there is looking at it, paying attention and understanding what of that can go into my pocket and what is not going in my pocket and why. It's very important that you understand that if you're going to operate your business the right way. Worst thing in the world, you look at your P&L and it's like a lottery ticket. Did I win or did I not? My goal is to help you know what's going on, so your profit and loss statement is not a surprise to you. Whether it's a loss or whether it's profit. And whenever it says that you've got net profit at the bottom, you'll know where that money is. If it's in new assets, if it's paying back a loan, or if it's actually cash in the bank. So hopefully this was helpful for you to find where some of that profit is hiding. And we'll talk to you soon on the next one. Thanks a lot.